wala na yata yung baterya. Sabi mo original na Apple yun. Galing na anak ko. Oh, tumigil ka na.
As you can see here, my old iPhone 6s has already gotten ready because we're going to install not only the new battery, but we're going to replace the LCD screen. And once we add it, let's apply new battery adhesive strips. Here is the original battery for the iPhone 6s. This is a genuine. Not really sure if this is genuine or not, but yes. But this costs up to thousands of pesos, so I opted for this battery, which just cost me 140 pesos on Shopee plus shipping. And the reason I purchased this one is to help me save a lot of money. This is expensive, this is cheap. Shoutout kay PowerTech. Shoutout to you, ko JJ and Turo. Shoutout ha.
Ulitin mo pangalan.
Turo, shoutout. Ikaw din, shoutout din. No?